Hi guys, in today's video I would like to share with you a couple of presents that I bought for my birthday, and of course the orange one is from my boyfriend. So I will take you through my gifts. So first of all, I would like to share with you this new purchase. It's a pair of shoes. I don't know if you like TOD'S, but I think that they are classy, they are always the right choice if you need to go out to have a dinner out, or if you have to go to work and be a little bit classy. So for example, I work in legal, so usually for negotiation or meeting with the customers, I think that you need to be both casual but at least a little bit classy. So this is a pair of shoes that I bought. Here we are. Okay, they are quite shiny on the camera, but the color is burgundy, and they have this sole, which is really a big sole, big for also for the kind of shoes that TOD'S produces, because usually they are less fat, so they are thinner. But I think that they have character, so I decided to go for this kind of moccasins, because I think that this is a little bit more, okay, aggressive, but still classy. And in the camera you can see the burgundy, which is like almost purple, but if you watch them at the daylight, they are not so shiny, they are not so purple, so they tend to be more black. So here it is. Inside they have the classic logo, TOD'S made in Italy. See, on the camera they looks really purple, but it's burgundy and it's not so heavy at the daylight. So here it's the sole, perfect sole, very comfy. And what I liked really much from this is that usually I'm quite short, so usually when I wear moccasins I'm even shorter, and I have other moccasins, classic moccasins from TOD'S, but again, what I really like from them is that with this big sole, you are also a little bit longer, higher, so they elevate you and your outfits. I really like this gold medal. It's really nice, and I thought it would be a little bit strong on the shoes, but I think that they are really still classy. I switched the light just for you to see how the color change. Really classy. I'll open also the other ones so that you can see them side by side. And again, what I like from TOD'S is that they are classy, they are like an evergreen for me, even in this kind of shape, which is more modern, but I think that they elevate your outfit always. And again, flats is something that I really do like, mostly for work, and a good way to be and look elegant. Here we go with the sole. I wore them with the rain on a rainy day, so they were great. They were great, really. So this is the next item, and as you can see, it's from Hermès. You know that for me October is Hermès month, so no, I'm joking, it's not Hermès month, of course, but I really do like Hermès. So my boyfriend, a couple of weeks ago, we were just hanging around in Milan, and we went in the city center, and he told me, okay, please, let's just have a look inside Hermès. If there's anything that you will like, it would be my pleasure to gift it to you. And let's go inside it. I would really like to know what you think about this, because I think that this piece is it's an evergreen, but I don't know if you are still liking this kind of item. Personally, I do, and I do enjoy wearing this kind of items. I do wear them every day. Usually, I don't like to have the brand so visible to anyone, but okay, again, this is for me is a classic. Of course, this is their new case, and here we go. Again, a bracelet. You know that I really do like this kind of item. It's the first time that I go for a clic bracelet of Hermès. So see, this is the first one that I own. And this is in rose gold, because I think that rose gold is really great. I have many rings in rose gold, many bracelets, so I went for this. So I'll try this on, and this is how it looks like. Okay, today I'm wearing a diamond bracelet, so you can see how it goes also with white gold and diamonds. I thought that this was a little bit small for my whistle, but the personal assistant said to me that it was the right size, otherwise it goes a little bit lower and it may hurt, because of course it's quite heavy. So here it is. I hope you like it. So as you know, this is the clic. So I think that rose gold is quite good. Again, on camera it seems like gold. Let's try to change the light, because I think that changing the light changed a lot. Okay, now you can see it, that it's rose gold. I think it's better with this light. So as you know, you have to press a little bit, slide and open, and as you can see, I hope you can see it, it's blanche, blanche in French. Okay, so here it is. I do really like it. So I hope you can see the shoes, and I hope that you can see that the burgundy is not so heavy. I'm wearing a black pant from Zara. It's just a black jeans, so you can see the difference between the burgundy of the shoes and the black of the pant.